Google Photos stores all of our lifetime of photos. I have my lifetime of photos. Jim has his lifetime of photos. Because of a feature called partner sharing, we are able to see each other's. Now, this feature only allows one partner. You can't partner with multiple people, just one. You can share all of your photos, or just since a certain date, or just certain people. And you can automatically save those to your own account, or you can leave it alone and you just have to go look, and I'll show you this. So we share and save photos of each other. So I want Jim to take a picture of me right now that I can then show you in a minute.
All right, I'm going to take a picture of you.
He took a picture of me with his phone. His phone uses Google Photos, and we have partner sharing settings set. I want to show you that. So the settings, you just go to settings on either your phone or the computer, and sharing. So settings, sharing, and then partner sharing. And these are how we have our settings set. I share all of my photos with him. He shares all of his photos with me. I allow him to see the location of photos. That's that little check mark. And for the photos from Jim, I have mine set to automatically save to my account any pictures that he takes with either of our faces in it. Google Photos partner sharing, how we use it. Our entire library, and automatically saving photos of us. So let me show you my Google Photos. I go to the web, I go to Google Photos, and I refresh. And what I'm looking for, it should automatically show me the photo that he just took of me. It's being a little slow. Let me see if it's available on the phone. There we go. And so it'll be on the computer in a minute. But here on my phone, in my Google Photos, there is the picture that Jim just took of me. Whenever he takes a picture of me, I get it because of the partner sharing. But now there's another photo that I know he took. I know he took this beautiful photo in Morea, and I want it. So how do I go get it? This time I am going to go back just to the computer. Let me refresh and see if that photo of me is there now. Yep. So there's the photo of me that he just took. I want to get a different picture from him. On this left side menu, I can click on Jim's Photos. He's my partner. Jim's Photos. And now I am seeing all his photos. And there is that one that I think is so beautiful and I want it. All I do is click Save, and now that photo is in my library. If I go back to my Google Photos, and I take more than he does, so I have to scroll back a little ways. There's the picture I took in Morea, and there's the picture that he took. And if I look at the info, it tells me that this was shared by Jim Guld and saved to my photos. So that is Google Photos partner sharing.